For the first question, where we estimate of our center of gravity with and without water, first we didn't use any water because the seal between the launch pad and the rocket made all the water fall out. It wasn't that tight. But based on our design on launches, we estimate the center of gravity to be located like this is the top of the board. Here would be the top, so we estimate to be around here, more near the top, because that's where our fins were located, and the most of the plastic is located in the bottle, so that's the heaviest, and this helps the rocket stay more stable.
In our case, we only use compressed air, so we cannot evaluate water amounts. But for the air, the amount we used was close to ideal because it generated enough internal pressure to create strong thrust. If we had used too little air, the rocket wouldn't have gained enough height. If we used too much, the pressure would escape too quickly, reducing the duration of the thrust. So finding the balance between air volume and pressure was important for a successful launch.
I know that there are many aspects of technology that contaminate more for the environment. So we made some proposals for this problem. For example, factories could be less contaminant, things could be more efficient, and also we could reuse, reutilize the things that we once bought but we don't use anymore. For example, we could also do processes that are better at recycling, because lithium batteries can be recyclable, but the recycle percentage that they get is very, very small. So if there were better at recycling the batteries, the pollution that the new batteries will give will be lower than they are now.
The aerospace industry is important because it helps us with the communication of satellites, GPS, climate monitoring, and scientific exploration. It also plays a role in protecting the environment, as satellites can track deforestation, measure air quality, monitor oceans, and predict extreme weather events. This information helps scientists and governments to make better decisions to protect the planet. So aerospace technology supports both progress and environmental care.